I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Are you munching on the arugs?
I love arugula.
Love at first burrata, Eric.
Love at first burrata. Your hands are freezing.
We fell in love over a burrata ball.
Burrata and octopus. It was cheese and octopus legs.
On our first date.
First date appetizer.
We had an appetizer with octopus and burrata.
Are we
Sounds
recreating that now?
strange.
No.
I wish we were having octopus, but instead we're having a peach and burrata salad.
I've grown to love salads over the years. This is actually one of my favorites.
Well, I have a question for you before we begin. What is burrata?
Burrata it's mozzarella filled with cream. Right?
Yes, almost there. So it is mozzarella with stracciatella on the inside, which is basically shreds of mozzarella or mozzarella curds mixed with cream. So that's why it's not like when you cut it open, it doesn't
Pour out with cream. Got it.
We start this salad with grilled peaches, and Eric is the grill master, so it is your first.
Are we going to grill them now?
It is your first time to shine solo on Tastefully.
Are you going to show me at the grill?
Yes.
Wow.
Let us
You need to cut these first.
go. I'll cut them, you grill. Slice it in half, all the way to the core. And then this peach is not quite totally ripe, so it's gonna be a little difficult, but you usually can just squeeze it right out. It came out. Now I just need to get the pit out. I usually just give it a little carve. There we go. Brush these guys with some olive oil before grilling. Grill master.
Here we go. So just put a little olive oil on them, and we're just gonna put them right down.
How many minutes per side?
3 to 4 minutes per side. You want those nice grill marks.
Okay, Rockstar, what's up?
It's been 4 minutes. Let's see the good little marks. Oh yeah.
Oh, you're a peach king.
That's what we want. That one's
Woo!
underdone.
It's okay. Nice. So 3 to 4 more minutes?
Yep.
Very nice.
All right, these are done. So we're gonna bring these to the plate. We're good. Back up.
Bring them to the plate.
We're gonna bring them to the plate. Boom. Peach is done.
You're peachy.
So are you. Red. What's next?
Step 1 is peaches. Grill your peaches. If you don't have a grill, you can just do it in a little pan. Just brown them. Make them nice and warm and toasty. Then we do our croutons. So I have a huge loaf of ciabatta here. I need a different knife. Back up. I have a serrated knife. So I have a huge loaf of ciabatta here. I like ciabatta for croutons. I don't know why, I just really like it. This loaf is just way too large. So I recommend a smaller loaf or else you're gonna have so many croutons. So I'm just gonna take the ends off here. Oh. While he's munching, all I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cut this and cube it into croutons. So I'm probably just gonna cut my loaf in half, just like this. Ooh, you could make a really good sandwich with this.
Yes.
And then I'll just take one of my halves here and I'll just cube it up. And this looks like a little too big, so I'll probably just make it into another cube. And then you just wanna put your cubes right onto a baking sheet.
Sweet.
And that's it.
Gorgeous.
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 So what do we do now? You know.
I know. A little bit of olive oil.
Go for it.
Oh, will do. A little bit of olive oil here. You just want to get them, drenched enough where good stuff happens in the oven, Like that, right? A little more.
Perfect.
And then you have salt here, but I don't think salt goes on, right? No salt.
Little pinch.
Oh, little salt.
Whee!
I know what's next. These go in the oven.
Yes.
Like 3 to 4 minutes per side on broil. You gotta flip them halfway through.
Yes.
And they get nice and brown and crispy and delicious. Oh,
Yes.
it's perfect. You keep saying yes, so let's do it.
Broil peas. I'm hungry. Time for step 3, the dressing. The vinaigrette, the best part of all.
It is the best part.
It's so good.
We have
This
raspberries.
is, yeah, such a cool dressing, I would say. What did you say?
It's cool because it's like we're making a cocktail, starting with raspberries. Muddling. You're
Are you
muddling
thinking
them.
of alcohol?
Yes, I want alcohol.
Yeah, so what I like to do is just mash some raspberries, and believe it or not, raspberries and peaches are such a great combo.
I agree with that.
They're so, so good. And this also gives it a nice like little pop of red too when you pour
It
the
is fun.
vinaigrette over.
And we have our orange. This is 2 uses of the orange, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, the first is,
Zesting. Where it'll take a little bit, it'll take a microplane. We'll do a little bit, just the skin, not the white. If I'm...
yes, show the folks.
See, you want to do just the skin, not the white here.
You just gave them the middle
I'm
finger
sorry,
there.
everybody.
Yes.
Okay,
Very nice.
thank you. Oh, and the orange juice.
The juice.
So we're gonna go like this.
Perfection. And I just use the whole orange. It's about a half
Wow.
a cup of juice. And just give it a squeeze and squeeze both of those halves in there. And that'll just add a really nice, like subtle sweet tartness to the dressing that's just so good with peaches.
So then we have a little bit of champagne vinegar.
You have to say champagne.
Champagne. Champagne. Vinegar. In.
That was a really loud laugh.
Sorry.
Sorry if I scared anybody.
Oh, and this is, it's like a
Champagne
nice
vinegar.
zing.
Yeah, but it's not as zingy as like a white wine vinegar that's a little bit more zingy.
It's
You're
the perfect
waiting
amount
for
of
me.
zing.
Yes.
And olive oil.
Yes.
I'm just gonna do a little.
Well, here we go.
Look at that. A little pepper, a little salt.
Salt. Whisk. A little for you.
Oh my gosh.
Assembly
Whoa.
time.
Let's do it.
So first step in assembly is taking your arugula, and then I'm just gonna pour about half of this vinaigrette right into our arugula. The other half we're gonna leave to top our salad with. Yeah. Finish it off with the rest of the vinaigrette. Burrata salad.
Cheers. Let's go.
What are you doing for this bite?
I'm doing everything. I'm doing everything.
You sound so sure of yourself. Wait, I need a little piece of peach. Did you get a piece of peach?
Okay.
It looks like a solid arugula bite.
I got burrata in there and peach. Here we go. There we go. Cheers.
Cheers. Sometimes you don't need words.
Not needed.
But of course I have to
Everything is
explain it.
perfect. Everything is perfect. Everything.
Creamy burrata, sweet tart peaches. The arugula is a little bit. Check this out on tastefullygrace.com.
You won't regret it. Bye.
Bitter, just a tiny bit, the citrusy vinaigrette. You like the croutons, I can tell.